Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to do a huge shout out and thank you to everyone for subscribing because we just hit 1,000. I'm a little bit late, but we're close to 1,100 now. And for celebration in that, I actually had a friend film a new intro for us, which features these three cars, the E46, the Miata, and the Mazda 6. But before I get into that, I wanted to kind of talk about the future of the channel and then where we're gonna be headed. So for the Mazda 6, there's not a whole lot of more things I want to do to it because the platform is limited. I knew that when getting the car. I kind of just wanted it as a clean daily, and it's been that exactly, you know, ever since I've had it. But I still need to get the MV tuning body kit painted because of things going on now. It's been a huge lag. It's also an expensive color to paint match. The Soul Red's really hard to paint match. And then I do plan on going single exit. The last part of the piece is coming. It's coming soon, and I'm gonna have it done this coming week. So the single exit will finally be done. Of course, we're gonna get videos on both of those things, so I'm looking forward to it. And then maybe in the future we're gonna have a tune, but it's really, you know, it's up for grabs. We're not too sure yet. So if you guys didn't see our reveal video of us buying the Miata, this is Calvin's car and he has a lot of plans, so that's going to be more content for the channel. So give us a little preview of what we can expect.
Alright, so the first thing I'll be wanting to do is get the roll bar in, so we could put some buckets in there.
Cool.
And some harnesses.
Yeah.
And then from there, I'll probably get coils. And then after coils, I'm going to get some wheels. And then for right now, that's about it, because that's all I could afford right now. So we'll see if we can pick those up soon.
Overall, that's going to be the plans for these two cars, but I also wanted to talk about how we're going to go 3 uploads a week soon. We also got a new project car which we'll be revealing in the next video, but hopefully you guys like this new intro and you keep continuing to support us, and we thank you for all the support, the views and the likes and everything, basically, because we wouldn't be anywhere near where we're at if it weren't for you guys. So hopefully you guys like this intro, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.